Thanks for 500 subscribers on my channel, reached on April the 16th. This allows me to use community posts. Here's part 3 of the 500 subscriber special. Before this video starts, please subscribe to my channel because only less than 1% of viewers are subscribed. Hello there, this is going to be an unboxing video of a new car model, which is a Ferrari. Ferrari has a partnership with Shell. We have been refilling up at Shell fuel station 3 times. After 3 times, they gave us this free gift, a small Ferrari car model. I am going to show you around the box. The top of it, the car model is in the ratio size of 1:43. The front of it, the first side of it, you can also download the free gaming app. The back of it, showing other Ferrari small products. The second side of it, showing Ferrari's partnership with Shell. You can pause and read the history of it. And the bottom of it. Now let's open the box. Out comes the Ferrari car model, as you can see on the Shell background. Let's show you around the packaging. You have to undo some screws to get the car model out, which I'm not going to do now. Let's have a proper look at this Ferrari car model, which is a 4x8 challenge. The doors and the bonnet are fixed, they cannot be open on this one. This is the end of the video now. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you're alerted whenever I upload a new video in the future.